Taurus.
Hey, what's up mga kamitas ko? Let's do a card reading for you coming this October para sa aking mga Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and this can resonate with you or not. Ibig sabihin, manood kayo ng ibang videos na you can check on my profile. Okay? So, card reading number 1. Para sa aking mga Taurus, you are blessed. You will experience blessings. Most of you are going to experience miracles. Mystical, divine intervention. Yung mga hindi na ipapaliwanag ng iso ng utak ng talino. You coming out from a big problem. Or, in a situation na kala mo wala ng solusyon. Doon manggagaling ang himala at pagbabago sa buhay mo. You will realize that you are divinely guided and protected. And, people who will try to stop you, hinder you, or make a mess in your life, kahit na sila pa yung pinaka-powerful sa lahat, they cannot stop you anymore. They cannot use anything against you as long as you, my dear Taurus, learns your lesson on how to appreciate the smallest, simplest little things in life. Being grateful will bring you to your destiny. You'll realize that material, wealth, money, things are just, it's just an important matter here in this 3D world. Pero, 777, ang crisis na pinagdaanan mo, ang tragic moments na pinagdaanan mo, ang punishment na kala mo wala ng katapusan. You've lost people. You will release and let go of people that you don't deserve. Nangyari yan para tanggalin ang mga maling tao sa buhay mo and for you to accept, appreciate, and embrace those beautiful people that you deserve. And so, the message is telling you, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Lover's card, your personal separations, your annulment, divorce na pinagdaanan. Ang ilan sa inyo naka-experience ng maraming deception, but it's leading you to a divine timing love story. You deserve someone na hindi ka lang ipaglalaban through words. Ma-appreciate ang beauty mo no matter what. It will uplift your confidence level, your spirit within you will have that better connection. And yung maikli mong pasensya ay mauunawaan at iintayin ang paghilo mo. At yung pagiging hopeless mo, lahat ng pains and sorrows ay willing na unawain at iintayin ka. Last one, 9 of Pentacles in reverse. And you don't need to teach this person. You don't need to carry and drag this person, or you will not feel dragged by this person. Last one, you will have that confidence, clarity, understanding beyond your expectations. You will have dreams, visions that's very clear. You know yourself. And your Oracle card message. Lover's card. You will have beautiful love story simula today moving forward. A spiritual union. It's your destiny. Most of you are going to have a committed relationship, but you need to take one step back, rest and rejuvenate, reset, because love begins in your life. This is absolutely amazing. Mistakes are also telling you, take care of your body, mind and soul, because to make you proud and be happy, expect that this coming weeks, all your sacrifices at mga bagay na hesitant ka will come into fruition and success. Good luck.